Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a print impression week's plan with me using this beautiful kit from Planner Pixie Co called Pretty Picnic. Now I chose this kit because of the citrus within the middle of the brain dump, but when it came down to it after I've laid it down, I didn't actually enjoy the way it looked. It just looks as if I had put highlighter across my page and then added the little bit of the actual the week through it, and I don't know, it just didn't speak to me once it was done. Plus I have to admit, I don't really care for the black and pink date dots. Like if you recall, a couple weeks before there was the strawberry one which was black and red. I didn't mention it then. I liked the kit itself, but I don't like the black in the date dots. It makes me tend to ignore the dates and then I get lost. And I don't think it's the layout. I think it is the dots. So moving on. So I put down these full stickers and it makes it super easy because the layout is boom, boom, boom. It's right there. But at the bottom, it's got those checklists, the dinners, the importance, the errands, and next week's, and I never actually ended up using them. So that ended up being a bit of a loss. I didn't even scribble across them and nothing. It just ended up being dead space for me. And I believe that's kind of what happened the last time I used a similar layout. I used it a little bit, but I didn't utilize it enough. So I don't think I'll be going for this layout again. However, I did fill in the actual week quite a bit, but I do believe that might be because they were a bit smaller in size. But again, I ended up having all that dead layout, the dead space within the layout. So I think it's better if I find different forms that I enjoy from her shop, although the kits are super cute. So moving on Monday, I put down a Bill Do sticker and I covered it with a bow sticker. And I put that was a long weekend, which was fantastic because we got Friday through the Monday off since my husband was off on the Friday. On Tuesday, we put that Planner Girl sticker. I put that Planner Girl sticker, with a penny sticker on because my children were having homeschool. On Wednesday, I had video editing on that day. And then Thursday, we had Virgin come around fixing a massive issue with our internet. And it's kind of fixed. It's a bit more stable, but it's still pretty bad. On the 29th, which was a Friday, was one of my very good friend's birthday. I was so excited. I've been ready for this day for a while. I knew exactly what I wanted to do for her. And with that, being a Friday, my husband was off that day and we played a little game on those days on Animal Crossing. So that's where you get the Papershire Gamer Girl on. Saturday, I came in and paid all my bills. And then Sunday was really just payday, paying off the rest of my bills, going for a bike ride, and of course your typical house clean. And then at the bottom in the brain dump, I put a flat lace sticker from Papershire. And it's this really adorable roast chicken flat lace sticker. I really love that. And I believe I just showed that in the video. Oh, there we go. And that's pretty much it. It was a super quick week for me. And I hope you liked that. So if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a wonderful weekend or day or whatever it is for you. Bye.